Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say heart. The word heart, as in your heart that is pumping blood in your body in French. This is also going to mean love heart. How do you go about pronouncing it in French? In France, we would say it as cœur, cœur. Did you get it? Does that make sense? But it'd be fine in English to say it as cœur. Cœur is how the English speakers usually say it. Cœur from French, cœur. Did you get it? Does that work for you? Do you understand this pronunciation? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more useful French words that you may want to hear and nail the pronunciation of. I'll see you there to learn more. Au revoir. Merci.